A very good morning, everyone. My name is Gaurav Shresht, and today we have a webinar on a very interesting topic, actually, Encash and SOR. So these are the two, product feature which is helpful for our investor. Encash basically, allows the investor to withdraw the money on a T day itself, and SOR, helps the investor to select and write exchange. So we will go through the basic of both the product Encash as well as the SOR feature, and we will cover everything regarding them, how to place an order and how to the terms and condition and everything regarding both the product. Okay, so starting with Encash. So Encash, facilitate the credit of the sale proceeds from the sale side transaction to be credited to the investor bank account on a T day itself. Now, I hope most of you understand that when we do a normal uh, selling transaction, whenever we sell a stock, it's normally take around T plus 2 day time to the amount to come in your bank account, right? And now with the help of Encash, what happens that on the same day itself, you get credited or you get the credit in your bank account. So it's like selling your stock during the market hour and getting the credit in your bank account the same evening, as against the normal procedure of getting the sale transaction on a T plus 2 day settlement basis. So just to give you an example, let's suppose you have sold a stock today and the stock value is around 1 lakh rupees. Now you want to use this 1 lakh rupees for your personal purpose, for something, as then, buying a stock or selling the stock, you want to use it to use it in a real world. You want to buy something or you want something else to be, done with this 1 lakh rupees. Now, obviously, in a normal scenario, you have to wait for T plus 2 day time to, get all the settlement done, and only then you can use the amount. But with the help of an Encash feature, what you can do is basically you can get the same amount of 1 lakh rupees on a T day itself by the evening, and then obviously once they are in a bank account, then you can use it for whatever purpose you want. So this is the main benefit of an Encash feature. With the fund being created in advance, the investor can get access to the increased liquidity. Given the nature of dealing, this facility is available only for the sell side transaction, obviously. So you can only use the Encash facility for selling transaction. So whenever you sell the stock, only then you will have an option of Encash. And the main purpose of using Encash is to get in more liquidity. So you will be able to have more liquidity in your more cash liquidity, which will be you can use then for any other purpose. So how to place Encash order, most important thing. So we have given a screenshot in the screen. You can see it right now of a normal order. On the left hand side, you can see. So this is a selling order example. So on the left hand side, you can see a equity. Everything will remain as it is. You have equity, then you have a selling transaction selected, then you have a NSE exchange equity. Just instead of cash, you have to select Encash option. Just above E margin, you can see an Encash option. Then you have a company name, the limit price or market price, whatever price you want to enter, and you have to click on place order. So once you click on Encash, any sale transaction done with the Encash by the evening, you will get the amount. You will get the total amount value. Whereas in normal cash scenario, what happens? You will get the amount on a T plus 2 day. So this is the difference between Encash and cash. I hope that this point is very much clear. Also, how to place an order. Then nothing is different. The only thing that is different is that instead of selecting cash, you have to select the Encash option. Everything else will remain as it is. You can see the equity, sell, NSE, equity, HDFC Bank, everything will remain as it is. Just select Encash and click on place order. Now there are a few important terms and conditions that you should be aware about before starting the Encash product. So what are the important terms and conditions? So first of all, the Encash product, this product is not available for the NRI client as of now. Encash order facility is offered only to the client for equity segment. Okay, so this product is available as of now in both the exchange, NSE as well as BSE, but only in the equity segment. Encash order one place cannot be converted into CNC product, cannot be converted into cash and carry product. Encash product could not be treated as a square of order even if there is a buy CNC order for the same script during the day. So this is a very important point. What this means basically that if you have sold a stock in Encash, okay, and then again you have bought a same stock in a cash segment only on a same day. Now in a normal scenario, this will consider as an intraday square off, right? So in the normal scenario, the stock will not move out of a demat account. But for the Encash order, since you have selected an Encash and you have sold it, you have squared off your position. Even if you buy stock same again in the same day, that will not be considered as an intraday square off. Okay, so this is a very important point that you guys have to keep in mind. So once you have sold in the Encash, it's done. Even if you buy it again in the same day, it will not be considered as an intraday order. Fund limit arising out of a sale transaction for the Encash will not be provided to the customer. So the fund limit, once you have sold something in the Encash, and let's say still around 3 hour or 4 hour of a market is still going on, still remaining. You sold something in an Encash in the morning only. You can't use that amount to buy anything else. That amount will directly come in your bank account by the evening. So you can't use that amount to buy anything. Encash order can be placed only against the securities placed on a hold in a DP. So only for the stock which is there in your demat account, only for those stock you can use the Encash product. On a bank and clearing holiday, this product will not be offered to the customer. So if there is a bank holiday or there is a clearing holiday and the market is still open, this product will not be offered on those dates. Client cannot place off-market order in Encash. Another important thing. So whatever order you want to place, you can place it during the market hour only. Cannot place it off the market hour. The last point, that HDFC Securities shall decide upon the list of securities in which the client could be permitted to place an Encash order. Okay, so the list get updated from time to time. The list is updated in our website also. So this list get updated from time to time, and depending on various scenario and the volatility and everything, we decide the list, and this list will be updated and will be will be there in our website. So I hope the entire thing for the Encash part is clear. Terms and condition, how to place order, and what is the Encash basically. There will be a few questions obviously from your side that you want to clear. So we will cover the SOR also, and after covering the SOR, we will open for a Q&A session. In that you can cover any of the doubt that you might have for the Encash product. So I hope the Encash part is clear. Now we will go for the SOR. So SOR, I guess most of the client will not be aware about what is SOR. So SOR stands for Smart Order Routing. Now this is one of the feature which is not available with many other broker. So this is something which is the X factor for us, HDFC Securities. What happens in SOR? Basically, SOR is a mechanism by which the system discovers the best price for any given order, buy or sell, among the exchange for you to decide its execution. So when you place an order selecting an exchange as SOR, system will automatically compare the price of the stock across the available exchange and get you the best price instantly. Okay, so I'll give you an example that will make the product more clear. First of all, how to place an order, the Encash order is very simple. You can see that this is the buy order that we have opened up. On the left hand side, again, it will be equity, then the buy option. The only thing the difference will be, in exchange, you have to select, instead of NSE or BSE, you have to select SOR. Okay, this stands for Smart Order Routing. So instead of selecting NSE or BSE exchange, you will select SOR. Everything else will remain as it is. Equity, cash, and HDFC Bank, everything, the company name, everything will remain as it is. Once you select SOR, what will happen basically? That to take this example only, let's suppose the HDFC Bank rate is going out around at 863.30 in NSE. Okay, Now in BSE, the rate is going on at around 864.30, 1 rupees higher in BSE. Okay, we are just taking an example, just taking a hypothetical example. So if let's suppose in BSE the rate is 1 rupees higher than the NSE, and you want to buy a stock, then obviously it's advisable to buy in a BSE. So once you select an SOR, what happens is automatically by by seeing the price difference, the system will automatically will analyze in which exchange the price is lower and which exchange has a better liquidity. And by comparing both of them, exchange will automatically will advise you will automatically will select an NSE exchange in this example. So this is an advantage of SOR. If you're selling an stock, if you're selling a stock and in selling a stock, if let's suppose the BSE stock is in BSE the stock is trading at around 864 rupees, or and in NSE is trading at around 863, then when that means while selling it will automatically it will select BSE exchange. So basically whichever is the best exchange for your order execution, the system will select that order. So it saves a lot of time, and it saves a lot of time for you. And also what it does basically is it's not only analyze the difference of the price, but also takes into consideration the volatility, the volume overall, the liquidity. So if you want to execute the order in which exchange it can easily get executed at the good rate, it will analyze both of them, and as per that order will get executed. So this is the advantage of SOR. Now the key feature of SOR is, as we have discussed, SOR eliminates the manual effort required to search for the best price. Enabled for equity orders only, no additional cost for using this facility. This facility can be used for buy and sell in cash, margin, intraday, or e-margin. Although mostly it will be useful for cash and cash margin and e-margin only, not much for intraday, but it can be used for intraday also. It saves time as the order placed on the exchange that offer the best price. Currently, SOR is allowed only on S&P BSE 500 stocks. So this is any stock that is a part of this index. Only in this the SOR is allowed. Few more things regarding the SOR that is required to cover. Few more benefits. So one of the main benefits again is just to give an example, the same example, let's say of this stock only is trading at around 863.30 level, okay, in NSE, and it's trading at around 864.30 in BSE. Now if you are placing a buy order with the help of SOR, automatically the order will be exchange that will be selected will be NSE. So you will get 1 rupees advantage. 1 rupee you will be earning almost will be earning while buying. Same while selling, if you select SOR again and again, while selecting while selling, if let's suppose by that time the rate the exchange in the NSE the rate goes higher, and the BSE the rate comes lower, and at that point of time the rate is trading at around 875 in NSE and 874 in BSE. The system will automatically will select NSE as an exchange for selling transaction. So you will earn 1 rupee out at that time also. So what is the benefit? That you will be earning 1 rupees in while buying as well as 1 rupee while selling. So you will earn doing both the transaction. So the entire transaction while buying while selling, you have earned 2 rupees without taking any kind of forex. Now just by using the SOR feature, you are saving 2 rupees basically. And so that's ultimately add in your overall income. So this is the benefit. This is the most important thing about the SOR. And obviously there is no cost for it. There's absolutely no cost. It's absolutely free of cost. There is no extra charges for using SOR. So you can definitely use it. So I hope the SOR feature is also clear with the Encash. So these are the small topics, small products, but very useful for our clients, for your overall investment. And small things can make a big difference in a long run. So these are the small product feature which can, if used wisely, can definitely be very useful for all of you. So now what we will do, we will open for our Q&A session. Any doubt for the Encash or for SOR, please use the opportunity to clear your doubts. and we will be, I think we will have around 5 to 10 minutes time, so we will take all the questions possible. So please enter your name and enter your question so we can take it. So Mr. Shalin have a question. Any additional cost for Encash product? Mr. Shalin, very good question. This is so for Encash product, for SOR there is no cost. For Encash there is a cost. So the cost is around 20 point 20 paisa extra brokerage. Whatever is your brokerage is. So let's suppose if your brokerage is around 50 paisa. Okay, so the brokerage charge for the Encash will be around 70 paisa, like 20 paisa extra will be charged for the Encash. So SOR is absolutely free, but for Encash 20 paisa extra will be charged. Kalpesh has the same question. Kalpesh Joshi, any extra charges for the Encash? So Kalpesh, we have already cleared. SOR is absolutely free. For Encash there is 20 paisa extra charge. So if 50 paisa is your brokerage, delivery brokerage, so for using the Encash product, you will need to pay 70 paisa. Another question is from Mr. Kapil Jain. NRI client can do it? No, Mr. Kapil, NRI client cannot do it. Cannot use the Encash product. Mr. Jairam, I have a question. With SOR in place, why could anyone use BSC or NSC option? So, Mr. Jairam, people can still have a preference for NSC or for BSC. So, if anyone want to specifically buy or sell in NSC or BSC, they might do it. Otherwise, it's always advisable to go with the SOR, especially if you're not doing an intraday transaction. Cannot be used for Nifty. Obviously, for Nifty, if you're trading an option or future, then it doesn't make any sense. It can be used only for a normal stocks which is tradable in both the exchange, NSE as well as BSE. Ramanathan have a question, why SOR is not available in mobile application? Mr. Ramanathan, we will cross check it again. As far as my understanding, it should be available in mobile application. But if you have used it and you are not able to see it, we will again cross check it. It should be available in mobile application. Is there any additional charges in Encash? Saurabh Srivastava. Yeah, Mr. Saurabh. So we have cleared that. For SOR is absolutely free. Encash 20 paisa extra will be charged. So if 50 paisa is your brokerage, 20 paisa. So total charges will be 70 paisa. 20 paisa extra will be your brokerage charges for Encash. SOR means it will select the best rate. Lakshman. Yeah, Lakshman. So SOR means basically it will select the best rate available, best exchange. So if the best rate is available in NSE, it will select NSE. If the best rate is available in BSE, it will select BSE. Now again, best rate differs. While you are buying, obviously you want to buy at a lower price. So at that time, whichever exchange has a lower price, that becomes your exchange. While selling, you want to sell at a higher price. So whichever exchange has a higher price, that exchange will automatically become your exchange. So this is how the SOR functions. Can SOR be used for intraday trading? Mr. Sundareshan have a question. Yeah, SOR can be used for intraday trading, but it will not be of any purpose for intraday. Because see, if you're buying it for delivery purpose, you're buying it something today, and the stock comes in your Demat account, then you can sell it in the NSE and BSE in either of the exchange, right? So you can make the use of the price difference. But if it's only available in if you're only doing it for intraday, you can't buy in NSE and can't sell it in BSE. So for intraday, it won't be of any help. But yeah, if you want to do it for any other purpose, you can do it definitely for intraday. In SOR, we have a question from first last. In SOR, can equities which were bought on BSE can be sold on NSE? Yes, it can be, given that the stock is in your Demat account. Mr. Arthi have a question. Can we do SOR and Encash together? No, you can't, Mr. Arthi. Mr. Devne have a question. Mr. Devne, please be specific. Your question is not clear. Only I can see a trading written. Pushpinder have a question. What are the charges for using Encash facility? So Pushpinder, only 20 paisa extra. So if 50 paisa is your delivery charges, 20 paisa extra will be charged. So overall charges for the transaction will be 70 paisa. So we have a question from Harsh Kohli. So my overall brokerage for selling 1,000 share is 500 rupees. What would be the end cash cost? So to 500 rupees is your total cost. But again, you have not given exactly what was your percentage of brokerage. So again, to give an example, let's suppose the 50 paisa is your brokerage charge, paisa will be more charge, 70 paisa will be your overall brokerage. Anil Sharma have a question: how can avoid brokerage charge? Mr. Anil, for Encash product, you cannot avoid brokerage charge. Uh, Tapati Mukherjee have a question: if equity bought on NSE, can SOR be used to sell if BSE price is more? Mr. Tapati, you can sell it in BSE given that the stock has come in your demat account. After T plus 2 days, the stock has come in your demat account, then you can use the SOR feature and then you can sell it in a BSE. Mr. Pinkesh Mehta have a question: is SOR available in mobile application? Mr. Pinkesh, as per our understanding, it is available in mobile application feature also. Hitesh Mishra have a question: how to activate SOR facility? Mr. Hitesh, you don't have to do anything. So while placing an order, automatically when you will start, when you will select SOR, automatically it will ask for your activation privilege, and you can directly just click on a link and it will get activated. There is no form filling or no document needs to be updated. So automatically while selecting an SOR, once you select an SOR, it will it will just guide you towards a page, and then you just have to click on terms and condition, and SOR facility will get activated. Ruchi have a question: can we sell in BSE if the stock is in stock are in NSE in my demat account? Yeah, Ruchi, you can sell it. Alpit Shah have a question: Encash, can I sell for intraday without stock in demat, then will buy? Albeit, no, you can't. You can only use Encash if the stock is available in your demat account, not without any stock there in your demat account. You can't sell it. Om Prakash have a question: what is the disadvantage of cash against Encash product? So the only disadvantage of a cash is that in case if you're selling it in a normal transaction, if you're not selecting the Encash product and you're selling it in a normal cash segment, what happens that then you will get an amount on a T plus 2 day time. Obviously, you can use that amount for buying and selling of a stock, but you can't use it for any other purpose. Let's suppose you want to use that fund for some personal work, for something else, you can't do that. With the help of Encash, you can get the same amount in your bank by the evening, and then you can use it for any other personal reason also. So this is the advantage of an Encash product. Ruchi have a question again: can we see this presentation once the webinar is over? Ruchi, you can. So we already have one webinar done previously for both the Encash as well as SOR. So you can go to our YouTube channel and you can see our webinar again for the Encash and SOR. Ashok have a question: why do you not say upfront about the charges for the Encash in your presentation? Mr. Ashok, unfortunately we can't cover everything in our presentation, but Encash part covered already the charges and everything. I hope everything is clear regarding the Encash charges and SOR. SOR there is no charges. For Encash, 20 paisa extra will be charged. LM Govan have a question: how to select Encash facility? So I hope Alan, you can see in my screen right now there is a selling order which has been open. You just have to select an Encash product. Instead of cash, you have to select Encash product. That's it. Everything else will remain as it is. Nothing is to be changed. Only instead of cash, you have to select Encash product. That's it, and you have to place the order. The stock should be there in your demat account before setting. Otherwise, it will not be used. Lakshman have a question. Is there any difference for NSE, BSE buy compared to Encash buy? Mr. Lakshman, you can't buy in Encash. You can only sell it in the Encash product. Mr. Gajanan Patil have a question. Can we buy on NSE and sell on buy on BSE and sell on NSE on the same day? Mr. Gajanan, you cannot. You cannot. So SOR, that's why we have told that you can use it in e-margin, you can use it in a normal scenario also, but for an intraday it won't be of any useful. So you can use the SOR for buying, while placing a first leg order, but then it's a rule of a SOR that while placing a second leg order, if you bought something in the NSE, you have to sell it in the NSE only. Om Prakash have a question. Do you have any webinar on how to apply indicators in future? So Om Prakash, we have a few webinars on technical analysis. So you can go to our website. You have a YouTube channel, sorry, HDFC Securities YouTube channel, and in that you can find a few webinars, so you can just cross check that. V Patak have a question. Can we have both Encash and SOR? You can separately, Mr. Patak, you can place both the order. In the same order book, you can't use SOR and Encash. Harsh Kohli have a question. Charges are not clear. Can you give an example? Say 1,000 shares worth of 50,000 rupees sold. Brokerage was 500 rupees with Encash. What is the total brokerage? So let me give you an example right away. We'll try to give you an example using a calculator. So I'm just taking into consideration you have 1,000 quantity of stock, and the stock value is around 100 rupees. So your stock value is around 1 lakh rupees, right? Now for 1 lakh rupees, the brokerage charges will be, I'm just taking a default brokerage charges. 500 rupees will be a brokerage charges, right? Now instead of 500 rupees for Encash product, it will be, as we have told, 0.2% extra will be there, 20% extra will be there. So instead of 500 rupees, it will be 700 rupees will be your brokerage charges. So I hope now it's very clear, Mr. Harsh Kohli. Mr. Lakshman have a question. Can we see old webinar in HDFC Securities site? If yes, please share the path. So Mr. Lakshman, you have to just go to our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube and just write HDFC Securities, and you will get our entire YouTube channel. In that you can go and you can check the entire, the path and everything, entire videos and everything, the past webinars which we have recorded, which we have done on different products, including the webinar done on the Encash and SOR. So I think we don't have any more question. We will in our website you can go to playlist and then you can select webinar for YouTube. So I hope we don't have any question coming up. Also we are running out of time, so what we will do is basically we will wind up. So we will give 1 minute more. Any question that anyone want to ask regarding the brokerage or regarding any terms and condition of an Encash or a SOR, please use the opportunity. So no question, yeah. So we are done. Thank you very much everyone for joining us. I hope that Encash and SOR feature is very much clear. Again, I will suggest you to you can check once again our go to our YouTube channel HDFC Securities, go to playlist and then webinars and check all the webinars regarding many other product also. And in case you are still having any doubt for the Encash or SOR, you can also contact relationship manager, your RM, or our customer care team. Okay, so thank you very much guys for joining us. We will again have another webinar most probably tomorrow on some of the order features or some of the product. So please stay updated in our website. We will update regarding the upcoming webinar. So keep a watch on that. And thank you very much for joining us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you guys.